Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Guys, it's free to hit that like and subscribe button. Please, I'm begging. But if you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic from yesterday, we were testing our major support level here at 14. We did see a very nice bounce opportunity, and then we started to consolidate in between these exponential moving averages. And I mentioned the fact that if Luna Classic were to use these levels of support, we could be looking for a possible explosive move. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, is the obvious that we are in somewhat of a V-shaped formation that is being formed. Any clean break above this resistance level here at 16, much like I mentioned in the previous videos, that once we saw that 16 break, we saw a massive move to the upside, would mean the fact that the V-shaped formation is valid, and we could be looking for a possible retest around that resistance here once again at 18. Now, there are a few things that I want to mention in terms of a bearish case scenario. Number one, of course, being the fact that ideally, if we do see a retest of this level and a rejection of the 16 resistance and a continuation to the downside, that, of course, would become a very massive bearish signal. Now, there are a few things that we want to note. Number one being the fact that if we do see a break below this 14 support level, we will have to wait for confirmation. You can see we did see multiple breaks below the support level before, but we never really saw that retest of resistance, confirmation, and then the continuation. You can see once we broke that support level, we immediately saw that bullish volume come in, retest, and then the continuation. I would like to see a strong bearish move set followed by a retest of this resistance and then a clean confirmation. My overall analysis will still remain at the 86 support level, but of course, assuming that the bullish case scenario is active and we do see this V-shaped formation complete, this will of course become a very explosive move on Luna Classic. The reason why, of course, is the fact that this is now the fourth test opportunity, and now we will be looking for the fifth test overall. The fifth test, of course, would mean the fact that we are looking for a massive breakout formation, but we have to be very careful once we break that level. What I'm looking for in terms of a bullish case scenario is a nice breakout followed by a retest confirmation on support and then the continuation. You can see from Luna Classic that we did break out once before at the 18 level, but we immediately failed to hold that level. We saw that beautiful manipulation with grabbing that liquidity and then we dumped right after. So what I'm looking for is a nice consolidation at that level of 18 and then another strong pullback opportunity. Then we can assume, of course, the fact that the local bottom is somewhat in and Luna Classic is ready to continue pushing on higher. Now, this doesn't mean the fact that, of course, every time we see a 3 to 4% gain, that Luna Classic is ready for a massive bull run. The same people that mentioned it over here got wrecked, the same people that mentioned it here got wrecked, and once again, the same people that mentioned here got wrecked. This is why I always advise you guys to think for yourselves and don't listen to these TikTok gurus and of course the Twitter and CT traders that are mentioning that there's going to be a 100x or 1000x move coming. Right now, the chart is in a major downtrend. We have to keep that in mind, that there's absolutely no bullish volume that really comes in for an explosive move. The only difference, of course, from previously was the fact that we saw a massive move, of course, because we saw that breakout as well as using these exponential moving averages as support. But right now we are not seeing that. We not only not see that, but we of course not only retest a major support level and see that bullish volume. What I'm looking for is a strong major support level to be tested and then immediately after a strong bullish engulfing. Right now we are just not seeing that volume come in, so I would be very, very careful looking for those long opportunities, other than the fact that of course you are scalping. If you are looking for a scalping position on Luna Classic, then the V-shaped formation would make a lot more sense. But for those of you that are looking for long term, in my opinion, I would still be waiting for a possible drop and that continuation. Even on the hourly time frames for Luna Classic, you can see we are using the exponential moving averages as support with a beautiful continuation pattern. This, of course, is a very bullish pattern. We have seen this many times, but I would be very careful if we do see a break of these EMAs. You can see that the exponential moving averages are still in a neutral standpoint. We haven't had an uptrend like we saw up here, so be very careful of a fake out situation. Not only that, but you can see even on the hourly time frames, we are in overbought territory, so I would personally be waiting for a nice pullback opportunity around that 14 retest and then the continuation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.